Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying essentials so the update can proceed. Check storage and battery because low resources cause failures. Make sure you use stable Wi-Fi and temporarily disable VPN or proxy since they interrupt downloads. Once done, open Google Play and confirm you're signed into the correct account. An account mismatch will block updates. Next, clear Play Store cache. This removes corrupt temporary data and often unblocks stalled updates, so don't skip it. You then tackle the more complex causes. Force stop Play Store and Play services, clear their cache and storage to reset background state. This removes hung tasks. If the app uses beta or sideloaded builds, uninstall them first because signatures can conflict. Check the app storage and network permissions so updates aren't blocked. Once those are set, restart the device to flush processes, then retry the update while watching Download Manager and your network for stalls or errors. To finish, try one last clean attempt. Uninstall updates for Play Store, restart, and update again. This returns Play Store to a known good state. If that still fails, you can install the app APK from a trusted source as a controlled fallback, but make sure signatures and versions match. Once installed, verify functionality and permissions. If problems persist, note the exact error code, contact app support, or consider a factory reset only after backing up your data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.